All right, we are back with our third trade, BA. BA has been a machine for us. We traded it to the long side all last week in the top right. You can see our daily. Just 4 crazy strong days in a row. Unfortunately, we missed the first couple of days, but the last 2, we made some nice runs, including Friday. We basically held this whole ride up. It was wonderful. Today, however, we're getting some sell-off, so we are seeing a nice little drop. It did pop up again today, but we're selling down. We set up on our 5-minute chart here on the bottom right, we set up a beautiful ABCD pattern to the short side. We came out strong right off the bat. Immediately had our bearish engulfing 5-minute candle. Kind of. We're a little bit below this, so maybe not a textbook, but nevertheless, this is a sign of weakness. Came back up, tested, dropped again, and then we came up. I would have had a nicer entry up here, but I just was a little hesitant today. We're up. We're 2-0 on the day. We're up about 1.5 R on 2 half-size positions. So I re-entered again here at a half-size. Let's switch over to our 1-minute. Once we came down, we rejected these levels. I then took it short. We did have a slight pullback, but barely anything. And then ever since then, it has just been a massive sell-off. So I've covered most of my position. We took a small position because it is a $273 stock. We took 28 shares at a half size. We are currently up about 0.9 R. We're just kind of moving down. There we go. I wanted to get filled at Friday's close price, which is exactly where we just got filled. We are starting to see our 200 moving average on the 5-minute come into picture here in the bottom right. So we're going to go ahead. I'm down to my final 5 shares, which is where I want it to be. I do expect there to be some resistance on this level. It could blow through it. We'll see it. I don't expect that, but we'll just go ahead and hold a few more shares. We'll put them at or stop at break even and see what happens. If we start to trade in a zone, you can see the amount of volume that's coming in right now on the 5-minute on our VPA. It's super heavy. So people are loading up. This might be our a resistance point here. We'll see. We might end up passing and becoming the VPOC at the 275.50. Time will tell, but we're going to go ahead and hold. As of right now, we are currently up 1 R, which I'm very happy with because this was a half R play. So we're up 2-1 on this trade. Our original stop loss was above VWAP. Oh, there we go. We're starting to break it now. I'm not going to fill. Normally, I'd fill above the 200. I'm not going to do that because I only have 5 shares remaining. So we're just going to go ahead and hold and see what happens. All right, thanks, guys.